Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by SmokinSteve's today. Now, I haven't made any videos for a while. Sometimes life gets in the way of doing things you want to do, but we're going to try to get back into it and make some videos and put out some good content to where you can try some new recipes and stuff like that. But today we're going to be smoking up some cream cheese. That's right, smoking cream cheese. And it's going to be delicious. Now, we're getting close to Super Bowl. This is something you can do for your Super Bowl parties or just any old time. Any old time you're having a get-together or whatever, having family over or friends, or just something to snack on by yourself. It's going to be good. We're going to take you through step by step on how to do it, and we're going to be smoking using the RecTeq 800 Deck Boss, and we're going to be using Bear Mountain pellets, bold flavor. I love Bear Mountain pellets, guys. That's all I ever use. You get a lot of clean smoke, very little ash, and it's just really good. It hadn't failed me yet, so we're going to get started. Let's go. Okay, here's what we're going to be using. Just plain old cream cheese. I got the aluminum foil boat here made, and we're going to be smoking this cream cheese in this. You don't want that to get all melted and get all over your grill and stuff. So in case it does get too soft and get crazy on us, it'll be right here in this foil. But right now this cream cheese is pretty boring. So we're going to spice it up a little bit. I got some rub here, some smokehouse maple that we're going to put on there. And you can use whatever rub you want. You got a favorite rub, go ahead and use it. Pork rub seems to be the best. But we're going to use this today. We're going to put a nice little coat on there. And we're going to try to get it all the way around. Give them a little flip. Get some on the other side here. It's smelling pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and pick her up a little bit with my hands. Get these edges. Looking good, looking good. Now we're going to be doing more to it than just putting this rub on there. But for now, it's just the rub. And we're going to go ahead and take a knife here and get her scored. Make her nice and pretty. Do a little cross hatch, whatever you want to do. You want to draw pictures, you can draw pictures. But we're just doing a cross hatch. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and get that RecTeq Deck Boss 800 fired up. And I'm going to get that temperature up to about 185. We're not doing a cold smoke. We're going to get it up to temperature 185. Now you can smoke it at 200. 225, but this grill will go down to 185, which is maximum smoke. So I'm going to let it take on some maximum smoke, and I'm going to keep an eye on that cheese. We don't want it to get all melted and just ruin it, right? So but yet we want it soft to where we can have a nice little dip. So we're going to keep an eye on it. Then we'll be cranking that temperature up, make it a little bit softer. And we've got some more goodies going on here too. So don't go anywhere. So I'm going to go get that grill fired up, get this on there, and we're going to get to smoking. Okay, we've got our cream cheese on the grill here. We're going to get this lid closed up and let her start to smoke. Okay, got that block of cream cheese on that smoker now. Now, if you're wanting to have a big party, you're going to want to do more than one block of cheese. You might want to do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know, I don't know how many's coming, whatever. But it's just going to be the wife and I. So we're just doing the one block today, and it's going to be good. Don't go anywhere. Okay, we got that cream cheese on the smoker, and everybody loves bacon. And we're going to be putting some bacon on there, some Jimmy Dean hickory smoked premium bacon. So we're going to get this all sliced up. Well, not all of it, but some of it. We're going to get it sliced up and pre-cook some of this and get it ready to go. Just getting this sliced up in nice little pieces. And that'll be going on top. And then at the end, we got another surprise. Okay, we got this bacon in the skillet here, and we're going to let this cook up a little bit. And after that cream cheese has been on there about an hour, we're going to go ahead and put this on top. Okay, that bacon's cooking up nice. We're going to let her cook here a minute or two longer. Put it over here on this paper towel and let some of that grease drain off. Okay, this cream cheese has been on here an hour. We got our bacon out here. Let's open this lid up and take a peek and see what we got. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Looking good. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get our bacon on there. We want to get quite a bit on there. And if we don't use it all, we'll just save it for later. As you can see, when I press down on that cheese, it's getting soft on us. It's going to be perfect for us, I think, when we start to dip our crackers and stuff in there. Yeah, about one more of these little scoops, I think, will do it. And that's going to be plenty right there. It's looking good. So we're going to get this lid closed and let her smoke some more, probably another hour, hour and a half. Okay guys, I got that cream cheese pulled inside here. Oh, it's looking good and smelling good. I wish you could smell this stuff. But we're ready for the final step now. Well, not quite the final step. The final step will be the taste test. But we got one more thing we're going to put on here. And we bought this hot honey here with the intentions of using this on top, drizzle this on top. But we tasted this hot honey, and man, oh man, it's a little too hot for us. So we're going to tamper it down a little bit with this other honey. We're just going to mix the two together, make it not so hot. But if you like it hot, this is a ticket right here. But I got it mixed up here. We're going to go ahead and get it drizzled on, and then the taste test. I can't wait. Okay, here's our honey. We got it all mixed up in a bowl. A little bit of the hot stuff and just regular honey. So what we're going to do is go ahead and drizzle some of this honey on. Man, this is going to be so good. Okay, I'm going to grab me a cracker and we're going to be doing a taste test. Oh wow, look at this. Cheese is nice and soft. Get me a little bit of bacon. We're going in. Oh baby, here we go. That is so good. That is crazy good. little bit of heat from that honey. And that honey's sweet, and that rub's working, and that smoke from those Bear Mountain pellets. Oh, baby, we're going in for some more. You guys, you got to do this. This is really good stuff. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one. I'm going in.